Take your Kia Seltos on a whole new adventure with the FH Group made-to-order seat covers, custom fit for your spacious interior. In this video, we will show you all the steps for a simple install. The front set has 7 pieces and offers 2 backrest covers, 2 bottom seat covers, 2 headrest covers, and a center console cover. The rear set includes 2 backrest cover sections to accommodate the 60/40 split seats, 1 solid bench bottom cover, and headrest covers as well. The backrest is available in 2 design options based on the trim of your car. Option 1 is designed for detachable headrests, and Option 2 is designed for built-in headrests with detachable middle cover. Let's begin by disconnecting the seat flap located on the rear of the backrest and under the seat bottom. Now remove the headrests and stretch the backrest cover around the bucket seats. Then insert the hook and loop straps into the crevice and tuck the fabric in. From the rear and under the seat, pull the straps out from the crevice. Using the hook and loop adhesive sides, firmly fasten the straps to the back of the seat. Next, stretch the seat cover bottom over the seats and place the attached buckle straps onto the floor for now. Then push the buckle clips through the crevice to the back side and tuck in the fabric. You will notice the inner side of the cover has an elastic loop. Slip the loop around the seatbelt buckle for added security. Now insert the 2 foam push bars into the crevice of the seat base. And then insert the side push clip into the crevice to assure that the seat bottom has a secure, snug fit. Then tuck the fabric in. Next, from the front bottom of the seat, you will notice a metal lever, which is used to move the seat forward and back. Stretch the straps over the lever and underneath the seat bottom to the back side. From under the back side, grab the straps and connect each one to the buckle clips. Then adjust, tighten, and secure under the seat. Now reconnect the original seat flap and then, using the hook and loop adhesive strips, fasten the cover to the seat and firmly press down. Then tuck the fabric under the headrest base. Reinsert the headrests and slip on the headrest covers. Now place the center console cover on by slipping the elastic loop over the unit and tucking the cover around the sides for a snug fit. Next, remove all the rear headrests, and by using a key, release the safety seatbelt strap. Now slide the trunk floor storage cover away from the backrest sections to allow for more space to pull out the straps. Then, starting with the 40 split side behind the passenger seat, tilt the seat forward and slip the cover around the backrest, making sure the cutouts line up with the controls. Pull firmly down the length of the backrest. Now, behind the driver's side, tilt the 60 split backrest section forward, make sure the cover is unzipped, and slip the cover around each side of the seat. Next, push the hook and loop straps through the crevice of the seat and tuck the fabric in. Then fold down the backrest sections. From the crevice of the backrest, pull the straps up one by one and fasten them along the back side using the hook and loop closure. Unroll the back side of the cover and use the adhesive strips to fasten it to the back side. Do this for both sections. Then unroll the cover and fasten it to the back side of the seat, firmly pulling down for a secure fit. Now zip up the cover on the 60 split side and place the backrest sections to an upright position. Next, pop up the bench seat bottom from the right and left sides by releasing the metal bracket from the plastic insert. Now place the rear bottom seat cover over the bench seat and begin to insert the buckle straps into the crevice of the seat. And tuck the fabric in. Lift the seat up. First, insert the left and right straps through the elastic loop. Connect together with a buckle clip. Then tighten and secure. And from under the bench bottom, connect all the straps one by one to the buckle clips. Then adjust, tighten, and secure under the seat. Now place the seat back into position. Make sure to tuck the fabric into the crevice and around the seat controls and reconnect the seat belt strap. Finally, along the top of the backrest, tuck the cutouts around the headrest base and seat controls. Reinsert the headrests and slip on the headrest covers. That's it! Available in a variety of shades in both Ultraflex neoprene and Luxe faux leather. Now you can ride in style and comfort with your Kia's newly installed and stylishly innovative custom fit seat covers.